Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to Google. As I previously stated, we'll use Google to earn cash online. This is vital because this completely easy approach depends on Google to be successful and earn that $650 per day. Next, in the search bar, type Google News and click the first non-ad result. When you click on that hyperlink, you may be taken to this page where Google will display all of the trendy news and current activities. Scroll down to see a ramification of articles from diverse news sources, a good way to range depending on where you're from. If you want to read further, you can click on any one of them. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories for news articles, and if you click on one of these classes, the greatest news article from the class will be displayed. For example, if you click on World News, you'll see news articles from all over the world. If you click on Science, you'll see science-related news. And if you click on Technology, you'll see news articles about technology. For this video, we'll go with the health category because it's something that's very important in these times. So if you click on Health, you'll be shown news articles about health. As you may count on, the general topics of the news articles are all related to the pandemic, and as you scroll down, you'll see a variety of informational articles. If you need to examine any of them, just click on the article. You have to copy these articles, but you don't need to replicate everything, just the essential parts. This is a completely crucial step due to the fact that in order to make money, you want to have some unique articles, which I'll show you how to do later. So, for this step, carefully pick the important components of the text and duplicate them. After that, we can proceed to the next step, which I want you to pay attention to due to the fact that it's very vital in case you need to earn $650 per day. Okay, if you search for SpinBot on Google, you may locate this one, spinbot.com, an article spinning, textual content, rewriting content, and material creation tool that you ought to click on to get to this page. SpinBot is an automatic article spinner in order to rewrite normal textual content into a more comprehensive version. This is designed to rewrite sentences accurately, so when you paste your copied articles here, SpinBot will rephrase the whole article to make it original. All you need to do is paste the copied Google News article into the box. After that, SpinBot has rewritten your duplicated article into a brand new one that is precise and innovative, which you can now use to earn. I'll show you a step-by-step method on how to perform it, and I'll show you how to use SpinBot to make money online in a second. SpinBot is an outstanding tool that allows us to rewrite any article into something specific. You can also look for other information articles aside from health and duplicate the essential components, then paste all of them here on SpinBot. Within seconds, you'll have a completely rewritten article that's specific and original, and the exceptional part is that you can do it for free. The first website I'll show you is textbroker.com, which is a great writing service for different projects. It's a tested platform to outsource content quickly and without problems. Once you're on their homepage, click on I Write Content and you'll be redirected to this webpage where you can see how a good text broker pays their authors. As you can see, they pay a selected quantity in accordance with words. You can take a look at it for yourself and read each of those carefully to get an excellent idea of how much they might pay. But don't worry because you won't be writing due to the fact that you're going to be using SpinBot to earn cash from Text Broker, right? All you have to do is visit Google News again and find some proper articles, then run them through SpinBot to create a completely unique article. If you want to see how many dollars you can earn from this website, simply scroll down a little bit and you'll see an income calculator. You can simply slide the button and you'll be able to see how much you can earn depending on the word count of the article. The rate is different when it's an open order, where there's a public hiring and you applied for it, a direct order where the client sends you a task privately, and a team order where you'll have a team and when an order comes, it's on first-come, first-served basis. So how much can you earn if you write 2,000 words? It says that they'll pay $100 for every 2,000 words, and you don't even need to write anything. To start earning money from Text Broker, you must first create an account, which is completely free. All you have to do is click on Sign Up and you'll be taken to a page where you simply need to fill in some information, such as name, email, expertise, and password, and click on the green button to complete the sign-up process. Moving on to a second site where you can earn money is known as iWriter.com. This is a site where clients can come and have their articles written with the aid of different people. How it works is simple. First, you must create a free account on the website, then you choose what kind of article or content material you want to put in writing. Once you've got the item, you have to publish it and they will evaluate it before paying you. It's pretty easy. You might be wondering how much cash you might make writing articles. On the pricing page, you can see that they have 4 levels of writing: Standard, Premium, Elite, and Elite Plus. When you scroll down, you can see how much they may pay you, consistent with your phrase. As you can see, the highest fee is $435 for a 6,000-word article. That's a very simple element to do with the usage of Spinbot, so if you use iWriter and TextBroker at the same time, you could really benefit. The last site is scripted.com. Right on the homepage of their website, you can see that they're hiring freelance writers. This is just like 2 websites I shared earlier, but the difference is that this website pays more. You can get paid as much as $1,000 and all you need to do is create a free account. One of the exceptional things about this site is that they pay nicely. You can write just what you know, you may deal with high-quality businesses, you can construct your portfolio, you can work from anywhere at any time, and that they have extremely good price and task management. To create a free account on scripted.com, click on the Get Started button and fill out the required information within the blanks. To proceed, click on the blue button. You can do this each day and actually keep filing articles on the websites I featured. The earning capability of the technique is superb, so you need to get started as soon as possible. That's it for today's video. Are you interested?